Meaning of César Chávez. César Chávez. César Chávez.
César Chávez. César Chávez. César Chávez was a civil rights activist and labor leader who fought for the rights of farm workers in the United States. He co-founded the United Farm Workers, UFW, with Dolores Huerta, and led strikes, boycotts, and other nonviolent protests to bring attention to the poor working conditions and low wages faced by farm workers. Chávez also advocated for the rights of immigrants and for environmental justice. His activism and leadership helped improve the lives of millions of farm workers in America, and he remains an important figure in the history of the labor and civil rights movements.